All right, so for purposes of this video, it is for field kitchens. People have their RVs here. And these are the ice trucks. I'm gonna try to walk as fast as possible. This is the parking area. So we all park here. This is the exit right over there. And then this is the entrance right through there. And then there's just tons of these forklift things to move pallets, move wood, whatever they need to move that's extra heavy. But really smart people brought their RVs, right? We're contracted for 30 days, but it could be anywhere to 90. And when I move along here, you'll see the cot situation, which is, haven't tried it yet. Doesn't look comfortable. So these are the mobile showers right there. And one side is men and one side is women. This is water for that. It's crazy, all this stuff that goes into this operation. And this truck is the laundry. I think those trucks are just something maybe for the tents, or, you know, they're just still setting up everything. And I'm at Trumbo Naval Base in Key West. This is one of our guys' trucks that carries either the mobile kitchen or the refrigerator slash freezer slash storage. But they are brothers. These are their trucks. Let's see. Right, this is a tent right there. I mean, they've set up massive amounts of tents. We are with FEMA. So let's see if I could do this again. So this is the laundry right there. Whoa. Hey.
Are you Facebook Live?
Nope. And this is the shower. So this is the shower situation. The shower's all down this way. Kind of hard to take a shower in that situation when you're clean and then you're trying to dress as fast as possible and you're sweating. And of course, porta potties. Way better than Miami though. Miami, there wasn't like not even that many porta potties. So these tents over here, either government or military. Government or military basically. And there's cots in there. So they like do office work and sleep in there. That's our RV right there. And here's one of the tents. So they blocked that off for the women. Oh my gosh, these cots look awful. And then all of these cots. Oh, there's people sleeping. So some people work all night long and then they just sleep during the day. Totally illegal what I'm doing, by the way. Totally illegal. And so that's our water. Tons of water in there. One of our girls' RVs. So in that truck right there, they have all the sleeping stuff. Anything for sleeping. Sheets, pillows, blankets, that kind of stuff. This is our other truck that I was talking about. This is where we make the sandwiches or any prep work. Let's take a little walk through here. So as you can see, I have tons of stuff prepped down here for making sandwiches, because you can do anywhere from 500 to 2,500. You just want to be ready. And these are the ones that are already made. So the AC units right there. So better for the sandwiches to stay in the back, so they stay cold. And then again, more meat, cheese, things like that to make sandwiches. And it's like anywhere from 40 to 50 degrees in there at all times. Those are our Canberras, so we use those for to keep the food warm. And then the Cisco trucks, the delivery with the food in it. And then we have a couple budget trucks. It's mostly for stuff that we brought. But there's food in there, and food in there. They're all either refrigerated or freezed. This is our area basically right here. There's a ton of cleaning supplies in there and stuff for the kitchen. This is a prep table. Here, I'll show you this one. So easiest is, we have kitchen stuff in there, but we also use this to just easily put the trash in there and then bring it to the dumpster. And here is our kitchen. Let's see who's working. Oh, everyone's working in here. So we got freezers. There's our boss. He's amazing. And then this is the refrigerator freezer system. It's a gem in there. It feels amazing. And they're preparing for dinner right now. There's Mark and Carlos and Joe. Everyone's working. But this is the mobile kitchen. I mean, it's crazy, right? Like, they just can like bust out like that much food in this semi truck. Okay, so now I'm in the tent. So this is the tent that we serve the food in. So we have everything stocked in the back. And we got a little computer with a printer over here because we are going to be here for a long time, so we need that. But it's just tons and tons and tons of stuff. And then these are the Canberras again that we put the food in there for when we put out for breakfast or dinner. And then it would just go right there. So it's easily just goes from right here to right there. So again, just more dry stock storage stuff. I mean, it's nuts how much stuff there is, but super organized because we will use it all. So right, these are all AC units. It is hot in here right now. It's crazy because it's like cold in the morning, but in the afternoon it just gets so hot outside. I mean, it just doesn't work hard enough. So this is the dining room. All right, let's see what the next tent has. And then again, there's porta potties right there. There's just porta potties everywhere, which is great. Because like I said, in Miami, it was not like that. So this is, I don't know, I put games in here or something. Because it's FEMA, right? So they're going to supposedly have people here that are residents. Right, they're preparing just for a lot of people. Again, porta potties right there. And then again, there's cots. Tons and tons of cots. Have the privilege to sleep on these, but they look questionable. And again, they put the divider for the women, which is great. And they've been setting up these tents like for days now. It takes like a day to set up like a full tent, I'd say. Let's see where I am at. I've never even been through here. Oh, we've already been through this tent. So there's 4 solid tents. Right, I went through this one already. So it looks like there's 2 tents with cots, 1 tent with games, and then the food tent. And that's our site. It's kind of crazy that they can just pull all this together. And right, it's millions and millions and millions of dollars that go into this. It's generators just left and right, lights over there. I hope you understand what's going on here. It's kind of crazy. We are in Key West for 30 days contracted, could be more, for Hurricane Irma. And I know it's getting really loud. These generators are cranking right now. Let me show you. Let's see. So I'm just coming back to the main area. This is our area. It's lovely, right? I mean, like our tent is right here. The kitchen's right there. We got the food trucks right here. Anything we need to like remove goes in there. It's just super easy. I mean, I wouldn't say easy. It makes life a little bit easier. We sleep on those sometimes during the day when we take naps. Not bad. Let me just circle around here really quick so you can get the full experience. So those things have sheet pans in them. Again, it's just like stuff, right? We're trying to organize a little bit today. Obviously, that's trash. It's difficult for people to come on site, you know, like they haven't picked up that in a while because they need someone to be cleared to be able to even enter this area. And you can't even get cleared right here at the front. You have to go somewhere like 20 minutes out to get cleared. Just tons of speed racks. You know, we just have tons and tons of stuff. Right? We have to be prepared for 500 to 2,500 people. And this is the sweet RV that I get to sleep in with the bosses. And I couldn't be any happier that that happened. All right, that's it.